You stayed disciplined, moved money over every month, and now your banking app shows a solid 5-figure balance. This feels like true financial maturity. But while that balance looks impressive, it is technically dying. In a standard savings account, money sits perfectly still, disconnected from the forces that build wealth. This is because saving and investing serve two separate functions. Saving is designed for the preservation of capital, while investing is designed for the acquisition of growth. When cash remains stagnant, it becomes vulnerable to inflation. As the cost of housing, groceries, and services climbs, its real-world value slowly erodes. A standard savings account earns 0.5%. The line above tracks inflation. The widening space between them is your money losing utility. Over 5 years, this red zone expands, revealing a significant loss in your actual purchasing power. Relying exclusively on a savings account is a choice to lock in a guaranteed financial loss. It provides the appearance of safety while ensuring your wealth never grows. Transitioning to growth requires a specific architecture. The first step is the creation of a safety bucket to fortify your foundation. This is an emergency fund containing 3 to 6 months of vital living expenses. This money stays strictly in cash, accessible at a moment's notice. An emergency fund acts as a financial shock absorber. When a medical bill arrives or a car breaks down, this cash prevents you from selling off your long-term investments to cover the cost. Once that safety net is established, the focus must shift to clearing out high-interest consumer debt. The math on this balance scale is unforgiving. Even a successful 10% return in the stock market is outweighed by the 25% interest rate typical of credit card debt. Trying to build a portfolio while carrying this debt is like sprinting backward on a treadmill. The interest owed always outpaces the interest earned. Even with a solid foundation, many people stop here. Analysis paralysis sets in, fueled by the fear of seeing a market balance fluctuate. The noise of the daily market often obscures the reality of long-term growth. To a patient investor, these frantic swings are just normal volatility. Starting with small, manageable amounts helps bridge this psychological gap. Building the habit of regular contributions is more important than the initial size of the investment. Complex, hyped-up strategies like day trading often result in losses for beginners. The most effective path usually involves the simplest tools. An index fund allows you to bypass the need to pick individual winning stocks. Instead, you purchase a tiny slice of hundreds of the world's most successful companies simultaneously. This structure provides instant diversification. It lowers your overall risk profile while allowing you to capture the steady growth of the broader economy. This boring approach is precisely what legendary investors like Warren Buffett recommend for the average person. It prioritizes consistency over speculation. Real wealth generation is the result of a boring, diversified, and mechanical system. It succeeds by avoiding the need for complex market timing or Wall Street insiders. To make this system permanent, you must use automation. This removes human emotion and hesitation from the wealth-building process. Setting up automatic monthly transfers ensures that you keep buying whether the market is up or down. Discipline becomes a background process that functions regardless of how you feel about the news. Uninterrupted time in the market generates the vast majority of investment returns. While the monthly amount provides the fuel, the duration of the compounding phase creates the actual scale. A $300 monthly investment over 25 years at an 8% return sweeps upward to roughly $285,000. Your actual contributions total $90,000. The remaining $195,000 comes entirely from compound growth. Storing cash in a bank account is like keeping seeds in a glass jar. They stay dry and protected, but they can never grow. Investing is the act of planting those seeds in the soil. The early stages will look messy and invisible, but if you endure the initial discomfort, the resulting growth becomes something much larger than the original seeds. Saving money provides a temporary layer of stability for today. Crossing the bridge into investing is the only way to secure permanent financial freedom for the future.